They definitely play for India. Instead of definitely, I can simply say, they do play for India. That's another way of using do and don't to persuade people. Hi there, welcome back to TELW, the English workshop. In this video, we're going to look at how to use do, does for emphasis. You know, if people want to say something very strongly, so like they say, he will definitely come tomorrow. That's definitely, that's the strength, the emphasis. See, they definitely play for India. Instead of definitely, I can simply say, they do play for India. See, that shop does give 10% discount. So I'm saying emphatically, yes. If you want, I can give it to you in writing on a stamp paper. Right. So I can also say, for instance, her interview went very well. Or her interview did go well. Did. It's more colloquial, if you please. No. It's more the spoken way, if you please. It's not the written way. Her interview went really well. Nice, formal way of saying it. Informally, I'll say, her interview did go well. They did come yesterday. It's not that you said that they didn't come and I'm saying, no, they did come yesterday. Say, you don't know English. I do know English. Emphasis. Another area is when you persuade somebody, like make somebody do it. So, do come to a house on the weekend. Do watch that movie. I think that's really good. Do play the song. I love it. So you are like telling that person to please do it. Giving you the reason, oh, please, I love it. Can you play it for me? That's another way of using do and don't to persuade people. Hope you like this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed already. The previous video was on the basic use of do and does. The next video is on how to use do and does for action. Until then.